beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling people. Today, Matsana about our Oba of Benin, our king, our second god. Congratulations to our king. Our king just a wife just deliver as say they say triplets. This one are four. My darling people, oh, as I see the video, like seriously, four. This one a double celebration, no. Congratulations to our king. I am so happy for our king. Like, hey, four. It's not easy to both four, Hey. I am so happy for our king. Congratulations to our king. Abemon and join me celebrate our Oba of Benin. Our king, our Oba, our Era Nira, our second god. Wow, congratulate Amen. I not feel happy as I see the four children. Like, four at once. I am so happy. I am so happy. I am so happy. I just did dance since I dey happy. Say, Hey, if you want, may God give you four. May you happy for our Oba, May you happy for our king first. You understand? If you want, may you born four. I beg happy for our king, It's not easy to born four. Not be one, no, four, like 1, 2, 3, 4. I am so happy for our king. Congratulations to our king. Congratulations. Celebration not go cease for our king house. So I am so happy. This one a double celebration. You where they believe God for the fruit of the womb. May you tap for this blessing, tap for this blessing, because it's not easy to born four at once. May you happy for our king. May you dey jolly for our king. If you not get beer for us now, just dey drink your beer. Go buy. May you dey drink your beer. May you dey drink your coke, because it's not easy to born four. You understand? So if you want tap for this blessing, my darling people, make you congratulate our king first. Happy for Ram. Happy for our Baba. Happy for our second God. I am so like, hey, they say words are not enough for me to say hey, thank you. Baba. I am so happy for our king. I am so happy. I say if you don't get drink for us, go buy drink. May you they dance, they jolly for our king. Our king just born four at once. Four, like seriously. Not be small thing, no, my darling people. Not be small thing, no. I am so happy for our king. May God protect those children. May God guide them and protect them as you give our king four. That is that you will see. You'll see the now. Not saying our God. Now he bring that four children come. So now he go see bless those children for our king. In the name of Jesus, amen. So I go put the video now, my darling people. Wanna see the video. The way where our king they dance, they jolly. I go put the video now, my darling people. Wanna congratulate our king.
Baby boys and one girl. we had to do now. Yeah. Munda, me to boy in is good now you. If you know where any, they do not get no man get to no man get Yarieto. Magio Yarieto, or not to the window who you do. You be there. Yeah, you are one. Why? You get to get out there no man. And I do the name of Savini coming to Boveni now. And I never got to Boveni. Ede ya mama si, ede ya mama si, ede ya mama si. Omo ya ti abe ya ti ai ya ni bebe ya o bebe. Beba ya na ni gbe ni ya ti ari Yesu odo ya ti be la ja yi. Oye ti o ri ro ni ani ke na ye to ta si. Zuma ebi ara wa rí wa dé rí wa dáná sí wa gbogbo aládùn mẹ́wẹ́ wa dùn dé ọ̀yà náà àpọ̀mọ́sọ àpọ̀mọ́ nígbà ètò ní gbígbé ọ̀pọ̀ wàyà gbé wàyà tó kí àmì ẹ̀gbọ́n wọn náà wọ́n lè wà pa wọn wà lọ kí á rí wọ́n ní ọ̀rẹ́ dùn náà.